Welcome to the channel. Now it's Rosalee. Yes, it's her segment. Now, my subscribers, I can't keep up. Now, for those people who have just gotten in from work, you're on your way or your day in and your day somewhere just a chill. Whatever it is that you're doing right now, my subscribers, yes, big up on yourself. Now, for the persons who are not inclined to certain use of language, I'm just telling you right now, it's not for kids, are not for the people them who kind of not really want certain content. So check the channel for, other more suitable content. All right. Now, Miss Rosalee is upset because her family members are expecting her to take their responsibilities up in hand. Now she's saying her only obligation is her children, and what her family members are doing, basically they're watching her purse, her gifts, and what she's doing on TikTok. Rosalie saying when she used to sell her peanut at town, and none of them never really see her struggles. And so now they expect that she is going to be taking care of their expenses. And she said, no, can't do. It can't work. Please give your views. All right, like the video. And don't you forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. Let's see if we can help this channel to grow. Thank you so much for the tremendous support. Tune in.
I box them gun and cardboard and side blood clot walk. Till better come. So cocky Derek man gonna talk about. Get up and look at work. Me sell from Sunday to blood clot Sunday. TikTok at the same time. When they can come over TikTok and also want $50 out a gift, I want $100 out a gift. Sometimes all one person, sometimes everybody. They can cash it out and buy food. They can save $1 and do this and do that. But my been at work. Me not wear promotional clothes. Me not wear promotional hair. Me been at work. Me never see no mother, no father, no sister, no blood clot, brother. Remember the time when I just blood clot come in and come blood clot. I grog me a sit on power mattress right in there, so. No light. No light, no TV. On the floor. On the bomber blood clot floor on the ground. We do a mattress, I want sheet over it. Who me did say? Nobody. I'm an auntie come from England. I'm a sell a ton, I'm a try, I look a best. I'm gonna get to a man to make one bed bottom for me. Come on, that's what I say. Make one bed bottom. I said, alright then. But start the process of making the bed bottom. And when the man make it, back in them time, there are $4 grand the man said to make it. So I said, alright then. Me I go make it. And take the mattress off of the blood clot ground. And buy one fan. And buy one hot plate where we can plug in and add look water. Give me baby some tea. I remember the day when I got a pork, my auntie gave me $8,000. She said, see, $8 grand, I'm going to have no more. Couldn't argue with the blood clot woman. That helped me a look. But me the older man must have $2,500. I pay the man him $2,500. I'm pay him $50. I pay him $2,500. I'm paying him $500 if he can't come on my blood clot. I don't eat this, can't come on my yard. And buy one hot plate. And take the rest by a local load put on my stall. And somebody there butter. A butter like that. Who me the blood clot see? We couldn't walk out somebody for nothing. We couldn't walk out people for things, no? So what the problem now? What the problem? problem now. Me not have no blood. Me not blood clot have no parental rights to siblings. Siblings are blood clot siblings. I hustle my blood clot money. I save me money. Call me all after blood clot and bless me. When me not beg. It's just blessing. I go through the rough and the roughest. I know a rough life. So I'm not frightened over nothing. You as a parent stand up to your own responsibility. I would have been blood clot to somebody put I want one yeah. What up say a chat? One yeah. I'm a young blood clot baby and not even 1 month good. Over the back of the street I sell. I was someone with blood clot know about. Someone who give me a blood clot break. It's like say this not too good for me. Me not fear get this. Go TikTok there for everybody. Go ahead. Me not stop nobody. Make me enjoy my best as my should. When me I go back with blood clots in my belly, when me I breathe and can balance my blood clot shimmies. When I'm pregnant and hungry, who was there for me? Eh? Who was there for blood clot me? I didn't see any mother. I never seen a mother. Me nah make nobody at all near me out, drink me out, smoke me out, and stress me out. So when 10, 20 years from now, I want to see when I got blood clot, ask me when me do my blood clot, money when me have it. Me no want nobody bring no stress to my brain, but I want me stress already. You ain't do my blood clot money when me fucking have it. You understand? Nobody don't come to me no story. Alright. Ensure them go to school, come for school and eat. And wear clothes. Me not rich. Cause me not go use my one blood clot money more for buy for build one old building. I build one tattoo. Eat to people. Come here, look blood clot friend. Oh. The Monday, they have to sell Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. People sometimes are tired of it. Sometimes they don't know go on. Sometimes they don't know go on for me. Nothing I sell. Market stiff like one cock. Come here have them. Come here say no, sometimes them barefoot on me before buy spots give them. You fucker, you get one a blood clap in the mind, you fucking pin no wait for nobody. One thing we know in life and me forever blood clot know it. God help those who help them fucking self walk up to me. And they just stop. And they're gonna say you is a God blessed person. No, do man from nowhere. Do man say you is a God blessed person. And you see, no matter what them try do you in a life, can't go work out. One day things are going better. Just have faith and believe. And some don't know you from nowhere. And the Spirit just send me to you for talk to you. Have faith. I should go in a captain behind me and come back. I give my daughter drop up $20 US and put on my daughter hand. But never forgot the day. I never beg the woman coming on the woman. Drop up $20 US and put on Shanta on. I said, take care of yourself. And take care of you. Say, baby nice. Take care of your baby. Mr. Father God, good day, great. You know, I'm going to buy with the money people. Them turn on the cash $20 US, I get to have. So 18 bills or $1900. I go over the place and I buy half case of Pampers and one big Lasco. So the rest can make up with the little shilling that me have when I sell. Them time before night come down with the reach about 850 can buy food. Me reach a town one day and I reach a town a patient a blood clot fire. I'm an auntie that my baby. And the first thing me come and me shot I'm a baby me I look for. Me selling a snow and me selling a rain. Me sell my blood clots of a end scan pussy clot meat. I'm never get. I'm gonna try so me can work the media thing. Can me get a blood clot promotion, me can find food. Till me I say boy, it not gonna work out for me. Till me pray hard. When me not work, me have some people like me and love me. All a lady, every lady get paid to the leader, say me want $20. Me have people say me want $20. A whole heap of blood clap me come across. We see me and travel with the youth. Till me reach right as so. And people can help me. Whether I ask it or not. Gone are the days when I never blood clot have it. Gone are the days when I couldn't find food. Gone are the days when my period come and I can't buy pad, me have to trust it. I don't want to live for my blood clot. What is yours in a life. Me don't want to come tell me about a body. Gone are the blood clot days when I couldn't buy a blood clot pad when me have to trust it. Far across the road yet. Me still not the midfield. Me still not the mind, same way. I dig for goal. Me don't want nobody come to me like me a God all blood clot mighty. And me send rain and thunder and lightning. Pray. Your life fuck up, go pray. Love me. Don't ball to me. Cry to God.